Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to the channel. We are continuing on with the chipper maintenance. So I already pulled the drain plug. It is a 7/16 square, and I let it drain so that you guys didn't have to sit here and watch it drain, because I've been doing quite the longer videos recently. So surprisingly, the oil filter was only hand tight. There we go. I'm going to pull you out a little bit, let you drain, and then let me set you down so I can get the new one. Make sure it's this right one. Wix 51516. Yep, you look the same there. And you look the same there. Excellent. I will take that number down. So we got a Wix 51516 oil filter. This is a John Deere B1SB6676. All of that is going to go into the information booklet so that I can order it again. Which one of you? There you are. I grabbed two just in case, because you know, if you grab one, it's not enough. And everything that I use here is older, and with older vehicles you can use slightly heavier oils, and everything I have basically was a rental for the majority of its life. So I am using 15W40. That unifies everything. Oh, hey, look at that. That is brilliant. They actually made a little drip spout so that oil doesn't just go everywhere. However, it's dripping right onto my fuel fill line, or my fuel line, so excellent. Wonderbar. And let's spin you on. Now, it calls for 3 quarts of oil. However, I don't have any small jugs right now for some reason. So, we're going to just guesstimate. First, well, I should say that first glug is supposed to, there we go. Ooh, that was dirty. So I always let it run just a little bit after to flush all of the old oil out, and it is still nasty, and you're dripping on me. You don't need to drip on me. There we go. Now we're running somewhat clean. Well, mostly clean. That does waste a little bit of oil, but for the amount of oil that it wastes and just washing it out, rinsing it out, making it that much cleaner, it's worth it to me. You don't waste all that much. I think maybe a pint on that one, which I know oil is getting expensive again nowadays, but the wear and tear on the engine is not worth it to me. Ooh, I guess that doesn't fill quite as fast as I can pour. So we are going to leave it at that. let that settle for a little bit, and then we will check it and top it off. So that has been the wood chipper oil and oil filter change. We have our oil change, or our oil check and fill here, our oil filter here, and our drain plug down here. You're still dripping on me. And our dipstick is right there. So thank you for joining me. A little bit of a shorter video this time. Next time we'll take this cover off, check the belt tensions, and potentially throw a battery in her and start her up. So stay safe, be well. Let me know what kind of chippers and projects you guys are working on in the comments below.